So it's 4:45. I'll show you what I got done. Solo today, but I just forget this joint. I've just noticed something. Hold on. So yeah, I got the back up. It's all done. This half of this front's more or less done. It's just got 8 course on this side, and then that to do in the morning. If we have time, we'll drop on those reveals, and we'll just get all corners up and fly all the block work in on the Wednesday. But as you can see, it's fucking piss wet. This look at all that, is so wet. I have to get a trowel off, just with the edge of the trowel. Took all the sharp edges off, and in the morning just give it another joint. You know, it looks proper fucking wet. It's proper wet, but it's what it is. We've opened the packs, let them fucking dry a bit. So right, I've got to go. Mel's waiting. See you in the next clip. So it's fucking Tuesday. Fucking forgot me wrong one of my toolboxes. Not having a good day so far. It's like 10:30. I've done fuck all. I'll show you what I've done anyway. So I've cleaned up for half hour, and then cleaned up front a bit, tidied that pointing up, and I'm off. So it's 1 o'clock. Well, basically, where do I start today? It just didn't go well. So I basically I took a box full of tie wires instead of my toolbox. So I left my drill on, so I couldn't put my profiles on properly for the front. And then I left my brushing off brush, and my sponge, and my other trowels. And then when I finally got going, by 10 o'clock this point, because I got there late as well, there's a crash on the way to work. I got asked to go do a bit, alter a window. I needed altering, so I altered it. Because I realised I wasn't going to fucking get outdone with lack of tools. So yeah, I did a little bit of patching for a couple of hours, and I'm going home now because I just pointed up brickwork. It was trying to belly on me as well. It was one of them days where the bricks were wet, the concrete bricks were wet for some reason. The rain had got into them somehow. I'd covered them. And they were just trying to belly on that front. So tomorrow, and they needed profiles up them because they weren't staying. But yeah, I got everything set out, I cleaned everything up, I loaded some block work out on inside. So yeah, that's Tuesday. But you know, stuff doesn't always go to plan. I go home now and relax. I'm teetotal now for as long as I can be. I'm not drinking anymore. It just fucking fucks everything up. I've been working 5 most nights anyway, so I fucking deserve an early finish. So yeah, I'll check in with you. I know you've not seen any bricklaying footage really, but I'll check in with you in the next. I've got my Headcam with me anyway. I'll leave that in car, so I can get some Headcam tomorrow on that front, hopefully. All being well. I loaded out a bit. I loaded out blocks, loaded out bricks. So I'm all loaded out in front, ready to go. All right then, guys. See you next clip. Yeah. Oh my god, that fucking kills me. I've just bonked my head with my camera. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's right on my spot, Melly. What do you say? Mixer? Oh, I will. Oh, I just get it on credit card. Yes, yeah, I suppose it does, doesn't it? Yeah. It's a nail. You know. Yeah, my fucking nail. Like what? Yeah. Yeah. I can do it. I can get him. No, they're just coming hold as this line. Well, there's this line here. It's fucking not holding straight. Press that line up to the underside of stuff. Underside of the thingy.
What, the whole time you wait?
Yeah, it's just for this course. So it won't fucking stay, it won't stay. What?
Fucking hurt my knee.
Oh yeah. Fuck it, it's coming.
Spinning out of place. I'm putting the needles all in my foot. Oh no.
You alright?
Yeah, I've got the needles. Pins and needles come and fuck you up, doesn't it?
What did you say? We're on a different plot now. We're on a 4-pot right corner. Squaring someone's 4-pot up. How to fucking customising your trowel, innit? Yeah, I was fuming. I just got some abuse for it, and it's like... Exactly. So it's called a favourite, it's called a favourite. It's by a lot of fucking trolls, you know what I mean?
Ridiculous though, innit? I've even just looked at your views. Until it says money, like literally as soon as it says money, it's fucking thumbnail. I think views are like fucking sky high.
The thing is, it's true. There's not many people work on their own.
21k views.
What? Save the animals, I've deleted it. Yeah.
A woman put 6 days ago, lined up for it. What, can't you see the fucking pantry line? You can see the fucking clouds.
Line up, what do you mean?
That's what it says, line up for a keep capital. You're not putting your line up.
What do you mean clamps?
Because you're not moving the thing on the side.
She might be just saying line up as in like, that's what people bricklayers say when it's next course, line up or something.
No. You've got a bad
Alright, I don't want to know about that one. Some days I'm more fragile than others. Well, it only drops off to 2 pillars now, darling. Only 2 pillars worth of bricks to load out. It's about 50 bricks per pillar or something. What you're watching? More views than usual. The PB innit?
What?
No, my highest view video is 36k.
What, on this?
Yeah, it's that fucking that short video I made. Shorts do get more though.
Why make a short?
We'll make shorts in a bit. Half brick, 180. So it's 4:30 Wednesday. That's what we've been doing. We've been doing this for a few hours today, and then did a low level roof, and then I got front up as well. I'll show you that. And this is what we got done this morning. That up, foamers in, fucking insulated damps in. They're all fucking blown out. But yeah, yeah, should be done by Friday easily. Good day tomorrow at block work with Melly. Might be just finishing off Friday. I don't know how much I'll get done tomorrow. A good day, pure block work. Yeah, should be easy enough. Right, see you in the next clip. Yeah, so that's me on Monday to Wednesday. Half a day on Tuesday. Didn't really get much done. Not as much as I would have liked to, but you know, given the circumstances. It's been a good couple of days, so I'll be glad to get that pot finished the next day in a bit. 2 days, you know, if I'm going ultra slow. But yeah, and then on to something else. It's been a bit of a short video today, but yeah, it is what it is. And got my haircut at some point, some sort of fucking more practical style. So yeah, I'm teetotal still, no drinking. I'm gonna do another training vlog at some point, but I'm just at the moment just having a relaxing night most nights anyway. So alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for over 1,600 subs, a lot of support. I'm really thankful for all that. You know, thanks a lot for your time watching these videos. You know, it really helps me out. You know, the ads and stuff, you know, I only earn a small amount of money from YouTube, but it still helps pay for petrol and stuff like that and getting to work, and you know, makes it worthwhile me recording these videos. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'll get used to looking at the camera at some point. Sorry, I'm still staring off into fucking space that way. So alright guys, if you made it this far, just give it a like. You know, let's try it 60 likes. I seem to hit that on most videos now, so we'll try 70 likes. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.